Hello everybody, I'm here today to talk to you about this XTIRPA 610 hitch mount system. So with this here, you have got so many options and solutions that we can provide for you. Here it's set up on the whole side of the hand railing, and we've run it underneath, fitted with the mast and with the two-piece davit. From there, we've got the floor mount socket. So that normally is just going to be a single bolt into the floor. This really comes into its own if you have multiple entry points, either on the same site or on different sites. Rather than putting a fixed socket in, you can just put this in. So one place to install rather than four. Don't need to worry about flush mounts. Gives you lots of solutions and saves potentially quite a lot of cash as well. From here, we can take the same type of solution and fix it to the wall. Or we can turn it through 90 degrees and run it this way, and again fix to the wall. Or we can either on both of those, then have a clamp scenario, we can go around an RSJ. From there, the one that's probably most common that you would see would be a counterweight. So either a static cart or a wheeled cart would come in either directly onto here or onto the with an extension. And that means that you can literally just enter the pit, easy to do, easy to hire, rent, or just buy it yourself if you've got lots of applications. The final setup really is the vehicle hitch, and it's the one that I believe is the best for a lot of people, but it's the one that's the most underused. For the vehicle hitch, we could attach the vehicle straight here. We could put a number of different extensions in to go straight back that way. We can also then put an adapter in at the toe ball to turn through 45 degrees. So that means you potentially could run it this way, and then like entry through doors into pits, substations, solves that problem. Then for working on like bridges, power pits, things like that, we actually can turn it through 90 degrees. So instead of the vehicle sitting here, the vehicle can sit in this orientation. So that means you can fit it into spaces that you wouldn't fit anything else. And it's a quick, easy setup, no big lump of weight to move about. So there you go, a quick overview of the 610 hitch mount system and all the modularity and solutions it can provide. Many thanks.